Guys, today we're going to update you on one of the hottest MJ stocks on the market. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Guys, today we're talking about none other than Silver Spike Acquisitions. WMAPS, you know the name. They're in the marijuana sector. We did a video on this SPAC maybe about 2 months ago. And for those of you guys that missed it, I'm going to put a link so you guys could check out that video and check out what we had to say then and where we're at now. Back then, I think we were talking about it right around 11 something. It was right around 11 something. We were loading up on that stock. Now, the interesting thing is that I've been in that sector I've been in that sector for quite some time, and I know that sector very well. So I spoke about it about 2 months ago, and I mentioned that this back here, this stock, is going to end up doubling or tripling. Now, what we want to do is we want to put you guys in plays where you guys can make some real money, and we can all make money together. Currently it's trading at 24.33 today. Today it's going to be coming out on Cramer, so I expect it to go even higher. I believe the merger date was pushed back to June or July, but it was pushed back. It's still going to happen, but the interesting part about this SPAC is that WMAPS is for those of you guys that don't know, is an online advertising company. And why I thought it was such a big, deal was because we know Joe Biden was coming into office, and they're proponents of the whole marijuana thing. So I knew that they were going to be legalized in more states. So basically, WMAPS, as more states become legalized, WMAPS gets to expand their territory. And I had mentioned to you before that WMAPS is a #1 online advertising company on the web. There is no other company that gets even remotely close to WMAPS. In this case, SSPK. Now, something important right now, it has ran up. So if you guys are still interested in opening up a position, and I'll tell you something, I think this stock here is going to double. If you see it at 24 right now, it's going to double. It's going to double to 25. In our video, we were buying it back at 11, and you've seen it's almost tripled since then. So you've seen the power, especially with Biden. Like I said, it's going to keep growing. As more states come about, they're going to keep growing. They're going to keep growing. And if they're #1, they're #1 in their sector. They're going to expand this. They've been profitable, I believe, for the last 10 years. So this gives you good information. Do your own research regardless. Follow up on the company. But this is just an update on this company, where it's at, where it came from. And I've always told you guys on this channel is that we're trying to connect the dots. We're trying to add it all up, and then at the end trying to get a result. And in this case, it's been a positive result, and I think it still has more room to run. With that, guys, I'm not going to make this video too long. I'm going to keep it nice and short. A good price to get in if you are looking to get into this stock here is anywhere between $19 to $22. I think right now I would let it cool down a little bit. Let it cool down a little bit. Get it back around that range, and then buy some shares. With that, guys, I'm going to let you go. Have yourselves a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.